Welcome. Today, we're diving into an updated guide on how to hide a pin on Pinterest. Maybe you're tired of seeing certain content, or perhaps you want to curate your Pinterest experience a bit more. Whatever the reason, hiding pins is a simple process that puts you in control. Let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to scroll through your feed and locate the pin that you want to hide. After you've found the pin, tap to open it. This will give you a closer look and access to the options we need. Now, look for the three dots located under the pin. This is your gateway to more options. Tap on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select Hide Pin. Pinterest wants to know why you're hiding the pin, as this feedback helps them improve your experience. You'll be presented with a list of reasons. Choose the one that best fits your situation. For example, you might find the pin irrelevant, repetitive, or simply not to your taste. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the pin from your Pinterest feed. This action tells Pinterest to show you less of similar content in the future, helping to refine your recommendations and create a more personalized experience. But what if you want to hide your own pins, maybe within a blog post to drive traffic to your Pinterest account? That's a slightly different process. If you run a blog and want to include Pinterest-friendly images without cluttering your post, you can hide a full-size Pinterest pin within the blog post's HTML code. To do this, you'll need to access the HTML or text tab in your blog post editor. Before the image code, you'll insert div style equal display none. Then, after the image code, add div. This will effectively hide the image from displaying on your blog, while still allowing it to be pinned to Pinterest. Remember to add alt text and descriptions to your hidden Pinterest images. The alt text is what automatically populates when someone pins the image, so make it descriptive and engaging. Whether you're cleaning up your feed or optimizing your blog, hiding pins on Pinterest is a useful skill to have. It allows you to tailor your experience and make the most out of the platform. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.